You're working at your computer when all of a sudden, bam, you get a pop-up notification that says your PC is infected with a virus and you must click here to run a scan or install antivirus software. This is a common scareware tactic used by hackers to get you to click and download a virus. You should know that we would never deliver that type of pop-up to you. Often it will appear to be a system alert or Microsoft Office system alert, and regardless of how legitimate it looks, never click on the site or the pop-up. The safest thing to do is to close your browser. Do not click on the X, close, or cancel button in the pop-up or on the site, because clicking on anything on the page or pop-up will trigger a virus download. If that won't work, bring up your task manager, Control-Alt-Delete on a PC, and Command-Option-Escape to force quit on a Mac, and close the web browser or application where the alert appeared. Next, notify your IT department that this has happened so they can double-check with a legitimate scan if your computer is indeed infected. Have questions about cybersecurity or some other IT-related issues? Book a quick 10-minute call.